do long-lasting matte base for this monsoon. First is moisturizer. This is oil-free mattifying moisturizer from Re-Equal. It is based on gel, so apt for a matte base. And next is sunscreen. This is also from Re-Equal Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. Next up, today I'm not going to correct my pigmentation, so here I'm directly applying a foundation. This is from Makeup Revolution. The shade is F12.5. I'm just applying on my T-zones, which is center of my face. And also this one is not a full coverage makeup. You can apply this makeup on a daily basis. And now I'm spritzing some matte finish setting spray to set my foundation in one place, cause this is a humid climate. And the final touches, I'm gonna finish this base with the banana loose powder from Mars, and this is my base for oily skin. It won't move anywhere. And for eye look, you can check out my Instagram account. Bye bye.